सब्सक्राइब कीजिए गणित अकेडमी इंडिया चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए मैथ रिलेटेड वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
A sequence is called Cauchy if un plus p minus un इसका जो मॉड है ये लेस देन एप्सिलॉन है फॉर ऑल एप्सिलॉन पॉजिटिव and n is a particular natural number and n is greater or equal to this natural number. P belongs to natural number. Remember, the Cauchy criterion of convergence of a real sequence is that a real sequence is convergent if and only if it is Cauchy, and this result holds in R. Okay. Using this result we can establish series. Let us see. So suppose un is convergent. un is a sequence in R. Summation un. So इसका जो partial sum है वो convergent है. Therefore, if we apply the Cauchy criterion of convergence for this sequence Sn, then for all epsilon greater than 0 there exists a natural number n such that mod of Sn plus p less than Sn less than epsilon for all n greater than n. So that is, इसको अगर खोलेंगे तो ये आएगा mod of un plus 1 plus un plus 2 up to un plus p, which is less than epsilon. Conversely, suppose for all epsilon positive there exists a natural number n for which this holds, then इसको अगर रिवर्स करेंगे तो ये जो टर्म है इसको हम mod of Sn plus p minus Sn less than epsilon इस तरह लिख सकेंगे. Then applying the Cauchy criterion of convergence in real sequence, we can say that ये sequence Sn sequence convergent होगा, therefore un convergent होगा. So the result is that a necessary and sufficient condition for convergence of a series in R, the series is mod un summation un, is that for all epsilon positive there exists a natural number n for which this holds. Okay. Now हम लोग पार्शियल सम को डिफाइन किया था, अभी रिमाइंडर को डिफाइन करेंगे. So suppose un is a series, then the remainder after nth term is denoted by this Rn. Rn is defined as un plus 1 plus un plus 2 so on. So this is a infinite sum and this sum is after nth term sum. Now suppose un is a convergent series converging to S. So S is equal to Sn plus Rn. Sn is the sequence of partial sum which tends to S plus Rn because this series is tending to S. This implies that limit of Rn is 0. Conversely, suppose limit of Rn is 0, then for all of epsilon positive there exists a natural number n for which mod Rn less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater or equal to capital N. So if we write this mod of un plus 1 plus un plus 2 up to un plus p, then this is nothing but mod of Rn minus Rn plus p, right? So this is nothing but mod of Rn minus Rn plus p. Now using triangle inequality, this is less or equals to mod Rn plus mod Rn plus p. Now using this result, because limit Rn 0, so this is less than epsilon by 2, mod Rn less than epsilon by 2 and mod Rn plus p also less than epsilon by 2. So this is less than epsilon. So what we get, the Cauchy criterion of convergence. Using this un is convergent. So the result is that let un be a series in R. Remember, this is important. This result holds because this is a real series. The sequence corresponding to the series is in R and Cauchy criterion holds in only R. Then it is CGT if and only if limit Rn is 0, where Rn is defined like this. So इसका क्या एप्लीकेशन होगा Cauchy criterion का? Suppose we are given a series summation 1 by n. Suppose un is 1 by n, then un plus p minus un, ये जो इसका जो मॉड्यूलस होगा इसको अगर हम खोलेंगे तो ये होगा मॉड ऑफ 1/n+2 प्लस 1/n+2 सो ऑन, वेयर p से नेचुरल नंबर। इन पर्टिकुलर अगर p को n सेट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा दिस, एंड दिस इज ग्रेटर देन, ये 1 को अगर n से रिप्लेस किया जाए ये टर्म से छोटा होगा। सिमिलरली सारे टर्म को अगर n से रिप्लेस किया जाएगा तो ये आएगा। सो दिस इज ग्रेटर इक्वल टू, दिस टर्म इज ग्रेटर इक्वल टू n/2n, दैट इज हाफ। इन पर्टिकुलर अगर हम लोग एप्सिलॉन को लेस देन हाफ चूज करेंगे, इन दैट केस दिस इज नेवर लेस देन एप्सिलॉन। So by using the Cauchy criterion of convergence, we can say that this series is not convergent.